Hello everyone, let's install Windows 11 26H2. Open your web browser and visit this official Microsoft page. The link is in description. To access this page, you need to be a member of Windows Insider program. So if you have not joined Windows Insider yet, join it first. For that, open your Windows settings, then click Windows Update, click Windows Insider program and then click Get Started. Sign in with your Microsoft account. After that, use that Microsoft account to sign into this page. After signing in, scroll down and here select 25H2. This is Windows 11 26H2. It is currently in experimental build, so I recommend you install it as a virtual machine. Click confirm. Now select language. I will select English United States. Click confirm. And now here, click on this link, 64-bit download. I have already downloaded it. Its size is 7.5 GB. I will install it in Oracle VirtualBox. Click new, type Windows 11 26H2 or any other name. Now here you have to select the folder. Now select the ISO file. Click next. Give a username. I will type your tech resource short form YTR. Type a password. Now here, delete all spaces from the name. Click next. Don't go beyond the green mark. You have to allot base memory and number of CPUs. I have 16 GB RAM and I have allotted 8 GB RAM. Okay. For disk space, I will allot 70 GB. Now click finish. The installation has been started. This will take time depending on your computer's hardware. So you need to wait till the installation process is completed. So the installation has been finished. Let me show you the version of Windows 11. As you can see, it is 26H2. To make your VirtualBox virtual machine full screen, open File Explorer. Click this PC. Now here you will see CD drive VirtualBox Guest Edition. Double click on it to open it. After that, double click on this file and install it. After installing these guest editions, reboot your virtual machine. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.